atrocity I've unleashed can stop it. Follow these instructions.
I got a machete, Mia, by the way. So I'll give it to you.
There are several pieces of a map hidden nearby. Gather them to ascertain the location of the lost pages of the Necronomicon and Kandarian dagger. You'll need them.
Ooh, thank you. Got hella amulets. Ooh, another ship. Hell yeah.
Hearken thee. This may be to your liking.
Ooh, let me get that axe, baby. Mia, we gotta go this way. Oh, you're getting that gun. Okay.
A curious libation. Deadens me tongue.
Right behind you, Arthur. I gotta get this shimps.
No.
It's all good. I'm still inside.
But strong step
Hey, he's got me feared up. Watch out! Watch out! Just run. I don't have any ammo. I don't carry weapons. Good job. All right, cool. Watch out. Sorry.
Indulge me, friends. The deed of a demon.
Damn, the demon's already on us. Are you serious? That boy was fast. Might as well take a car, guys.
Thou shalt be crushed under my boot.
Oh wait, we're dealing with. It's gonna be trapped, y'all. Watch out.
I'll be there straight away.
Damn it.
It's a pussy. Look further.
Let's go.
This is my irrevocable choice.
Watch out behind you, Mia. I missed him.
It's gonna help us. I'll read it. Used to crack some bones.
Back to the depths from whence you came. Bring me your best.
Watch out. Hey Ash, anytime you want to join up with the rest of the squad, man, we could use help, baby.
This pink gas is unknown to me. The effects are strange.
Tastes like crap.
What hellion look?
Breathe, you last hell beast!
If y'all see any shimps, just go ahead and pick them up, because I'm full.
Effects are magical. I dub thee Pixie Broth.
I'm not a fan of this stuff. It does the trick.
Ooh, shimps right here. Shimps right here if y'all want to help pick it up. Thank you. Ooh, another amulet. Hell yeah.
Draw nigh, friends.
I release thee.
There she is. Good job.
The survivors have collected another portion of the map. An admirable effort, but there is still much to be done.
Drink deep of this potion, friend.
Alright. Y'all want to take a car? Because Demon's been on us for a while.
Come, sharing me like this.
Good job. Alright, we'll just hoof it.
What a libation.
Tastes like crap.
Watch out behind you, Arthur.
Thy wretched life is over. He who brings light raises a bulwark against evil.
Draw nigh, friends. The sheen of light will pass thy lips. Breathe, you last hell beast!
The fuck? Why am I not able to hit this guy? Alright. Watch out behind you. I hate when they're in a weird spot you can't hit them. God damn.
Return to the church, gargle with hellfire, people.
The final piece has been collected,
Loot crate?
making the map whole again and revealing the whereabouts of the Kandarian dagger and the lost pages of the Necronomicon.
I will drink this, but I don't like it.
We might as well go to Arthur. He's at a gold crate.
Be gone, you. Thou shalt tread
Hey,
into
we're
the
coming,
realm of
Arthur, and then we
light.
can figure out where we're gonna head from there. Oh, Ash is with us now. Thanks. Awesome. Cool. Beans. Good job, guys. Let's go. How the fuck do I get up to the crate? It's upstairs. Isn't it? Oh no, it's over here. Haha. Not bad. Damn it. Alright, pages it is. Let's go. We may need to stop at this fire up here, Mia. Ooh, blue crate, blue crate.
It's gonna help us. I'll drink it.
You have awakened the lost pages.
We'll be there in a second, my dude.
Stay close and hold your position.
We're coming.
Draw nigh, friends. A sheen of light will cast thy fear.
That's how the blacksmith shows up on the scene, baby. Amulet didn't break. Hell yeah, that's so OP. Y'all got extra amulets if you want to drop them. I can pick up a couple. Thank you. Hell yeah. Like butter. Where is he? I heard him. Don't fuck with the blacksmith, bitch. Stand by the fire, guys. Stand by the fire. I gotta get my fear down. I'm dropping all my ammo. Getting my fear down.
The team has secured the lost
Making a
pages
gold
of the
weapon?
Necronomicon, exceeding my expectations and giving hope to my lost soul.
Never know what's coming out. Sorry, guys. Hey, don't forget there's a handgun right behind you. Handgun right behind you, Arthur.
Be gone, devil. Thou shalt tread into the realm of light.
Oh, damn.
Hello? Matches, anybody?
I got matches right here. Come to me. I got one match. Light over here, guys. Light over here.
Breathe, your last hellfish.
God damn it! What am I stuck on?
My friend, be dead. Jedi?
Back to the depths from whence you came.
Draw nigh, friends. Your demon days are
collection of the Kandarian dagger. Congregate inside its aura to speed the process.
I see the flautist. He's behind one of these mausoleum things. I'm gonna go get him. I'm possessed, watch out, run! Yeah, just give me with range. Thank you, thank you. Ooh, shimps? Hell yeah. Y'all see any ambulance or shimps? Just mark them, please. I don't know what you're doing. Ooh, I see that shimps on the side. I'm gonna go grab that right after we're done.
How many more can we carry? I got two.
I'm gonna go grab that shimps, guys. Got this one. We lost one? How the fuck did we lose one?
The living have seized the Kandarian dagger. You are one step closer to defeating the spirits of the book.
If anybody has extra amulets, let me know.
The team has retrieved the lost
come here, I got
pages
some.
and the Kandarian dagger. Use them to
Thank
put
you.
an
Hell
end
yeah.
to the Dark One's
I'll
reign
save
of
it
terror.
for, wait, you need some, huh? There you go. Oh, cool, it didn't even break. Alright, y'all ready? Hell yeah, we're close. I might be making a purple weapon. Hold on. Nope, just blue. Blue shovel if anybody wants it.
I'll take it.
All right, let's
Better
go.
than what I got.
There you go.
Thank you.
We want to get in this car or what?
Alright.
You want to drive or you want me to?
You can go ahead.
Oh, good.
I don't exactly trust myself.
I'm not the best driver either, but not as far as I was, so. I'm always paranoid about that fog. Oh yeah, that's good. Possessed unit? Man, fuck! God damn it, he's got me possessed!
I got it,
stay alive. You got it, you got it. Okay. I didn't know if you had your own ship. Sorry. I'm possessed. Just run. Just run. I got no range. Alright. I'm still possessed. Fuck. Alright.
I might get
everybody's
possessed.
at. Ah, shit, I accidentally just drank an extra shimp. Damn it. I got 4 still. It's good. Hey, if y'all want to gather around, I got one more shield I can pick up. I see him. Evil Ash over here, guys. Evil Ash.
God, he's almost down.
I know. We got him. Hold on. I'm trying to use this ship. I'm trying to use the ship. Shit. Alright, good. Is he down?
Yeah, he's dead.
Okay, cool. Man, he's trying to swarm me.
I'm possessed.
God damn it. I'm going down, guys! Well, shit. Do it.
Defend it to seal the breach between our
Fucking
world
Mia.
and the next.
Sorry.
Oh, it ain't your fault. It's just when she gets possessed, she's just fucking crazy. Y'all got it though. You might face one more evil Ash. And there's a shimps in the building over there. So y'all rush. GG's. By the way, if y'all want to play some more, send me a friend request. We got me and Benjamin there queuing up together. Boys. They're fine. AOD Ash has those punishes.
Nice.
Uh-oh, they are on Evil Ash. One problem I have with the Blacksmith is, man, he's standing so fast. Oh god.
I'm about to die from him.
We got it. All good, boys. Hell yeah. GG. game. Good close game. Jeez. Hey, send us a request. You guys invite me if you want to keep playing. Alrighty. Blacksmith.
Kanda Samonda Enzi.
I got about 4,000.
With the recitation of the passage, the physical manifestation of this dark spirit has been banished to the rift.